Go get him!
Come on, Xena. Get her. Get her. Good girl. Get her, Bree. Attack. Attack. Rah, get her right at the throat. Right at, good girl. Get her. Yeah, get that throat. Throat shot. Come on, Pumpkin. Get her, Bree. We got a new one coming. Dog fights in the snow. Year-round dog fighting. It like really started coming down at like 9:30 or something like that this morning.
Yeah, it's a nice white piece of snow all day.
And and last night
Yeah, it's nice and fluffy.
it's like dry. Once I take Bree back and get my helmet on, I'm gonna ride to the upper cabin on my quad.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, check on everything.
Yeah, we'll probably go around a little later.
You gonna hike up there?
I don't know how far we're gonna go.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna hopefully do it while it's like really stormy, like this.
Yeah.
So. This dog's just eating snow. Just eating snow. Dang, Bree, be careful. What do you think?
Hey, if you want
Go, Bree. All right, head down. Aha! Bree Dog's tired. Don't blame her.